my Dill Picklers. Today is going to be a short, not really a vlog. Well, I guess every once in a while, if I find something new, I'm going to try it. So I guess you can say the trying new things vlog, which I think it is important to try new things, because I mean, you only live once. Okay. So today I'm going to be trying Carmal Apple Candy Corn. Ooh, candy. Okay, so I've never tried these before. So let me guess what they are. White eye. What in the world is the white? I don't know. Maybe the white is the top of every piece of candy corn. I don't know. That's a red. Obviously, it's probably the apple, and the brown is the caramel. Okay, so that looks good. Let's see if it tastes good. Tastes good. Okay. The white tastes weird. And it's kind of candy-ish. Okay, the red. The apple. And the brown. Really tasty. These are really good. Very tasty, I recommend. It's fall time. Fall starts tomorrow, as far as I know. Although, as you can probably see outside, it was really pouring earlier. Well, the leaves are falling off the trees. Some trees are missing quite a bit of leaves. Like that one right there. And some trees still have a lot of leaves, like some of those, that one. So yeah. So, well, I hope you enjoyed this. I recommend you go and buy those, because those are surprisingly good. And so they only sell them during the fall and Halloween time. But yeah, it's really good. So, I'm going to be doing the Bean Boozle challenge today, so I'm very scared. It should be funny. There will be 2 parts, because it'll get too long, and it doesn't let me post videos that are like over 15 minutes long. They just can't upload them. I don't know why, but yeah. So, and be doing my daily vlog today. It's already like 3:45 in the afternoon, so I love you guys. See you guys later. You're my biggest fans ever if you're watching this, even if you don't like it. Oh, and by the way, like, comment, subscribe, and share. 4 rules of YouTube. Yeah. Anyways, see you guys later. Bye.